John and Mary recently got married, and there is a new family member on the way. As the family is growing, they definitely need more space. They found a great deal and bought their first home. But they want to make a few improvements and add their personal touch to it before they move in. The master bathroom and the kitchen could really use some remodeling, but they are on a budget and have no idea where to start. They don't know if they should replace or refinish the cabinets, add new countertops, or maybe install a more modern flooring, or even a freestanding bathtub for the master bathroom. Well, the sky is the limit, and choosing the right materials can be overwhelming. Wasting time going to several stores to find the right material among thousands of options is not ideal for them. Having no experience with previous remodeling projects, they are risking hiring an unprofessional crew, and many things could go wrong during the project. Delays, bad quality installations, extra costs, unreliable service, and no warranty are some of the most common problems when hiring anyone to remodel your home. The best solution is to reach out to a personal design consultant at Ceramic City USA, a 5-star and reliable remodeling company that has been servicing the Houston area for years. We will take care of your project from start to finish, so you don't have to worry about anything. Contact us by phone, email, or website, and we will schedule a video call to better understand your needs so we can get to work on your free estimate. If needed, we will schedule a free in-home consultation, measure the space, and take the right samples to your home for your convenience. This way, you can see exactly how it will look under the right lighting, next to your own furniture, and with your home's color palette. Once you are happy with the selection, we will work on your project and give you a final proposal right away. If you are ready to go, we can start the project as early as in a couple of days. Our crew is professional, reliable, always on time, and we guarantee 100% project satisfaction. Simple as that. Forget about getting overwhelmed at a showroom and trust a design consultant that will make the whole process easier and better at no extra costs. Ceramic City USA. Home remodeling made quick, easy, and stress-free.